Look, I've been up all night because I flew back on some red eye. I was supposed to be in at 11 in the morning. I got in at 3 a.m. And the only thing that's saving me is this drink. You know what this drink is? This is the Dutch Bros Oregon-based drive-through coffee chain drink that is going to keep me awake right through the Eagles game. This time, the company just reported a nice top and bottom line beat. Stock got hit the next day. That was wrong. Sold off 4.2%. That was wrong. Mainly because Dutch Bros saw its shop-level margins come in a little bit light, but that's ridiculous. After the initial pullback on Thursday, this thing rallied on Friday, and then, of course, it really roared today, as it should have, surging 6%. It's almost like Wall Street revisited the quarter and realized it was a good one upon further review, because people just don't understand the stock or the company or the drink. So let's check in with Christine Barone. She's the president of Dutch Bros to get a better sense of the quarter and what's happening here. I'm not talking this fast with Barone because I've had the drink, because I haven't had enough. But the fact is that this is something that worked in Oregon, and it's working around the country.
It is working around the country. We had an awesome quarter. Our same-shop sales were up 5.7%. And our customers are loving what we're doing.
And that's a blended average. The ones that you own were even better.
Yeah, we had a great quarter. So our company-owned same-shop sales were up even more, and they were up at 7.4%.
Now, you are in half the states in the country. Is there a state where it's not working?
No, we have been well received everywhere we're going. So really excited to continue to expand. We opened a number of new states this year. We're up to 24 states now, and just about 1,081 shops we ended the quarter with.
I like a situation where there's a roadmap. How many do you think you can handle in this country?
Well, our total addressable market that we shared in Investor Day is about 7,000 shops. So we have a long ways still to go.
How expensive is it these days to find help to be able to build new stores?
So we are finding real success as we open new shops. We have developers help us as well. And we have had no problem finding new shops and opening new shops.
Now, I want people to understand that if I go, you're going to find new drinks all the time. It's not like there's just the same menu. What am I going to see for the holidays?
Well, we have all kinds of great new drinks for the holidays, and some of them are returning. We do have a wonderful holiday cookie that is a new drink.
Really?
You can get it across lots of different platforms. So I had one the other day with protein milk.
Well, you have the edge on me. It seems like that young consumers, Gen Z, have discovered you, and I'm trying to figure out what they think, what draws them. What is it that's different? What are they excited about?
Yeah, so as we look at our customers, it's really a full experience that you get at Dutch Bros. And so when you come through our drive-through, our broistas just love to engage our customers. They love to have a little conversation with them. They love to remember them and their names. And so I think that not only do you get an awesome drink, but you also get that conversation.
Now, there was a period where it was hard to find work. Now you're no problem. You're getting good young people to man the ship.
Yeah, so we have great broistas, and that's really where the brand starts, and it's all about our people, and they want to come work in the environment. We have great music on that we're playing. You get fun drinks while you're there, and you're working with a wonderful group of people where we invest a lot in training, so you're working alongside someone who's really trained up and knows what they're doing.
Now, there are whole parts of the country that do not have Dutch Bros, correct?
Correct. We have a long ways still to go.
So where are you understored? I mean, is it in the Midwest or is it up here? Because a lot of people, I think that if you open one in New York, the stock would go up $20.
Yeah, so we have lots of shops still to go. We don't have any yet in the Northeast. We just opened our first one in Illinois. But even in the markets where we've been for a long time, we still have a lot of growth ahead of us.
Now, I'm trying to figure out what your loyalty plan is these days, because this is something that you have brought in. You've also brought in app ordering momentum. It sounds like everything's going. These are all your specialties, and they're working.
Yeah, so we launched mobile order in Q4 of last year. We're now at 13% penetration in mobile orders. That's really growing.
Could it go even higher?
And it could go higher. What we want is we want our customers to order in whatever way they want. And so that channel was clearly something that was popular with a lot of customers. That's providing a really awesome on-ramp to our Dutch Rewards program, which is now at 72% of transactions. So very high. We can have conversations with our customers. They get a lot of value out of that rewards program.
There are a lot of people who say, look, Jim, you like Starbucks, you can't like the stock, you can't like that, and at the same time like Touch Pros. I think that's stupid. Would you agree that there's room for everybody?
I think this is a really large and growing market. And half of our beverages are coffee, but half are energy and other types of drinks like lemonades and teas. So we're really the category creator of the customized energy drink.
Now, do you think that there really is a move away from alcohol? And the reason where I'm going here is that only a mocktail to me is like some of your drink. I happen to like mocktails. I don't drink a lot of alcohol. And they seem like that you're creating new drinks that are like mocktails for the Gen Z people who don't seem not to like to drink that much.
Well, I love mocktails as well, and I would share that I think what it is really as Gen Z is coming into this market, they loved iced, they love customized and creating their own drink. And so we have a whole plethora of drinks that you can choose from, but we also will work with you to customize it for yourself. And I think that's what's really working.
Absolutely. Now, Christine, one of the things that I'm getting tired of it, but I know all the restaurant stocks, they're all down big. And that's because people feel the American consumers fed up with inflation, doesn't have the money. I look at your numbers and I think maybe the American consumer just wants to be entertained and have a good time with a drink, with food, and that you're more than just a liquid.
Yeah. I think that we all need something to brighten our days. And when you come through our drive-through, I think that's just what we do, is that we celebrate with you. We give you a great drink. We listen to what's going on in your life. And I think that all of those things are just incredibly important right now. And having that little bit of connection is something that makes our days better.
Okay, now I know people who don't have one think that what you just heard is fanciful. Having experienced it, I will tell you it's spot on. Christine Barone is the president of Touch Pros. Thank you, Christine.
Thanks, Jim.
Everybody's back here for the break.